Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. Is it too much to ask you to just let my commercials play? Is it too much to ask you just to let my commercials play? I'm the one that said a lot of people want to see you succeed, or so they say, until you actually show them what is needed for you to succeed. Then those same people, they start to be like, yeah, well, me don't support you. They'll pull their support from you and then still be cheering, succeed, succeed. And then when you still make it, them show up again. Yes, SouFLoTV, a progress we say. What if it's progress you really say? And you really support SouFLoTV, right? You want to see this channel grow. You want to see me give you more creative vlogs. You want to see me give you videos on topics that are more relevant. You want to see me go places. Well, I don't know if I can do that because I already put a lot into this because I am very passionate about this, and I'm sure you can tell, right? You want to see me go places like get on a plane, travel. Me have big plans, you know. I want to be in South Africa doing a vlog. Well, all parts of the continent of Africa. I want to be all over Europe doing vlogs for you. I want to show you what it's like to travel to all the places that I've actually been already, plus places I haven't been yet. These kind of things. These things take money, okay? Remember, I'm a dad with 4 children, a family to feed, all them kind of things there. So don't think that I'm going to just waste out all my earnings on supplying you an audience. Appreciate it for all the stuff that you guys do as far as tuning in, leaving your 2 cents in the comment section and all that. But that doesn't put any money in my pocket. That's just me talking to a bunch of people, and I'm very antisocial in real life. So if I'm asking you to just let my commercials play, let my commercials play. Right now the plan for SouFLoTV is to give you 1 video per day for 5 days a week. That's it. This is why I'm going to do that. A lot of people been hitting me up on all other parts of social media. Them a link me on Facebook, them a link me on Instagram, and they're saying, yo, SouFLoTV, what's the latest news? I haven't seen you posted any videos. That shit hurts. When I post 4 videos in 1 day, then or they hit me up and them say, yo, SouFLo, want me out, do a video on this topic. I already did the video on that topic, and the video is already up on the channel. It's been there 2 days now. That shows me that you're not tuning into SouFLoTV like that. Or you tune in, but because I give you so many videos at once, the people them get lost. Them can't even keep up. Right? So I'm not gonna lost on it no more. I'm not gonna get lost no more. I want you to keep up with the videos, and I want to give each video some time to marinate then. Right? Because I put a lot into each video. So I don't want to just give you 4 videos and you just speed through 1, speed through 2. You never go back and watch those videos. You just speed through them and you leave them. So right now I'm probably gonna give you 1 video for every day of the week, Monday to Friday, and that's it. Off Saturday, off Sunday. Or maybe I'll give you Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So you take some time to let whatever the content is in those videos marinate. Me don't know right now, but me kind of done with the 2 videos and 3 videos per day now. And this is the reason why. Another thing is, like I explained to you earlier, it's not putting no money in my pocket. So the real supporters of SouFLoTV that really want to see, now don't get it twisted, I do make, let me see, I can't put my business out there because I know some people stay already, right? I do make a nice chunk of change on YouTube, right? But I would like it to be more. There are many other people out there that are making way more than I'm making on YouTube, and that's because they have a supportive audience. I don't know if because, come on people, I don't want to be stereotypical, but I don't know if because I'm looking at the white vloggers on YouTube and white people are more supportive of their own and black people are more likely to tear their own down instead of actually supporting them. Like if one of those white vloggers come on and they say to their audience, hey man, this is how I feed my family, this is how I put some extra money in my pocket and make sure that everything is alright over here, so I can continue to give you good content, because if I'm in a financial distress or whatever, you won't be getting any videos that you like so much that what you see on SouFLoTV, right? And let's admit it, there must be a reason why the channel keeps on growing. If you see my subscriber numbers, they keep growing and growing and growing, and we're only a year and change old. People tend to think that we've been here for so long. We haven't been here that long. We seem like we've been here that long, but we haven't, right? So putting out quality content. When them white vloggers say to their audience members, hey, all I'm asking you to do is put $1 in the GoFundMe or this and that. They wake up in the morning, $100,000 in their GoFundMe. My people, I beg the boy, I beg money, make him move on, go ahead. And they move on to a channel that has less quality content. They would prefer to go to a channel that has less quality content than to actually take up 4 quarters if you're in America or $1 and put it in your thing. Me, I'm not asking anybody. I remember when I started out with my camera, I wanted like a grainy camera, and then I realized that people were paying attention to my comments or to my videos. One person said, yo, SouFlo, how about you set up a GoFundMe so we can help you to buy one proper camera so the video them can look better quality. At the time, I was still making money. I was making good money from my career field. Remember, I'm telling us that I work in occupational therapy, right? I'm a traveling therapist. That is the reason why I'm in this hotel room right now for the next 3.5 months, because I'm out here on a contract on the borderline of the United States of America, Texas, and friggin' Mexico. I can afford this, but I wanted to see if it was worth it. Now that I saw that it was worth it, I went out and I purchased a proper camera. This camera right here is a $600 camera. This is a $600 camera I'm talking to you on right friggin' now. The lighting in this hotel room is not good at all, and I'm actually using a work light that people use in a garage, mechanic use, in order to bring some kind of lighting into the video, as the video would be much worse of a quality. Check my other videos when I'm home. You see how the quality is clear and crisp, and you can see everything. I didn't ask you, I didn't put up any GoFundMe, I didn't ask you for $1 to do anything. All I'm asking you to do is to let these commercials that you see on the videos, let them play out. Now let me show you that people are really not supportive, but they claim to be. And when we make statements like, white people support themselves better than each other, better than we do, we're more quick to tear each other down, people get offended. There's no need to get offended. I used to see it all the time at my mom's restaurant. White people came into our restaurant, then buy out the whole of the patty case. Them want, what are those? We said beef patties. Can I get all of them? And you're like, yeah. And you sell them all of them? Yo, I forgot to make a next batch of patty done. Black people come in there, what are those? Beef patties. How much are they? $1.75. $1.75 for beef patties? Damn. Let me get really $1.75? You have on $150 pair of Jordans, and you are gonna ask me to cut down on $1.75 for something where you're gonna nyama full of gut with. That's how we support each other. You know what I'm saying? So I'm asking y'all, man, let my commercials play out. I'm not setting up no GoFundMe account. I'm telling you that if you let these commercials play out, I'll be able to afford some very exciting vlogs for you guys. We have places on the list that we want to take trips to and show. Right now, I'm going to Jamaica, right? I get ready for it. Right now, I can make it down to Jamaica for Sumfest. So you can see SouFLoTV in Sumfest. I move through the crowd. Hear the people them talk back to you on SouFLoTV. And you know I'm going to put my own spin to the thing. I'm not talking about just Jamaica. I'm talking about other places on a long list of places we have to go. But instead, what happens is I end up traveling these places, going by myself, and not video vlogging anything for you guys because I don't think it's worth it. Right? Me spend all my money on plane fare and all this and go out and then what? To a group of people for your entertainment? I'd rather keep some things in my life private then. But if you want to see me do road and do certain things, just let the commercials play out. Right? Let the commercials play out. So I'm cutting the videos to one a day or probably one every other day. Let my commercials play out. Here's a big example. When you go to the movie theater and they play all those commercials before they play your movie, you don't have a choice. You sit there, and this is a movie that you paid to go in to see. Yet you're forced to watch all those damn commercials before your movie starts. You don't have a choice. You don't complain. You sit there, you nyam your barn, and you wait for the doggone movie. Am I correct? Alright, so now that's what I'm talking about. It's the same thing when you're sitting at home, you're watching your favorite channel, be it a video game, someone want to watch Bad Girls, someone want to watch this, someone want to watch that. Whatever you're watching, when it goes to commercial break, what do? You might switch the channel, or you might get up and go get you something to drink real quick and wait till the commercial done. And yes, but we hurry up and come back before the next part come back. It's the same thing over here at SouFLoTV. Don't skip past the commercial them and don't go to our next video just because this video have a commercial on it. All of us have to sustain our channels. $600 for the camera that I'm talking to you on, just so I could give you quality material, right? So me I rant a little bit, but more than anything else, I am not begging you no money. I am just asking you to let the commercials play out on the video, man. Because that's how we're going to bring some revenue in and we can build a channel. Then you can say, yo, SouFLoTV, I'm there with you for your channel for you just starting, you know. For I remember when you did have the little broke down camera, you know. For I remember when you did have 25 subscribers, you know. And now you think they are 34 and ray. That's what I'm looking for. Alright? That kind of support. It's SouFLoTV, man. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. But I'm going to say it again. Just let my commercials play, man. Alright? I'm out. Peace.